At the age of 24, I lost my husband. I had no idea of what I was going to do. I had limited resources, but I knew I still had a family to take care of. My dream was always to go to college and to get my degree. After making several attempts with no success, I gave up. I was not able to go to school and to take care of my family, so I got a job and I accepted life as I knew it. Years had passed, but my desire never went away for a higher education. I have always instilled in my children that an education is the best thing that you'll ever get, and no one can take that away from you. Go to college and obtain the knowledge and skills you need to do something you love, and you will be successful. This was one of my weekly sermons that I always gave them. One day, while having one of these talks with my children, and about the importance of college and making the proper career choices, my son Joshua said to me, "Mommy, you always talk about going to college, but you never got your degree." I was devastated and disappointed in myself. How was I not able to lead my children by the example that they needed? This day forever changed my life. I started my journey at Florence Darlington Technical College in the business management program. It was tough, but I persevered and I made it through. In my final meeting with my advisor at Florence Darlington Tech, I was told of a program that if I completed my associate's degree, I could go to a 4-year college as a junior and get my bachelor's degree in 2 years. It was called the Bridge Program. I was scared. I knew I wanted to continue my education, but didn't know how I was going to pay for college, continue to care for my family, and work for another 2 years. But with little hesitation, I did accept the challenge. With the assistance from so many helpful people, Mr. Dick Caldwell, Ms. Shannon Flowers, and Mrs. Christina Webb, just to name a few, I got the assistance that I needed with financial scholarships and grants, and I was ready to start my new chapter in my life as a junior-level college student here at Coker. Something I once thought was impossible has now become possible. Everyone here has been willing to make this experience the best experience of my life, and I look forward to continuing my education in the Coker's Master of Science program in Management and Leadership. In conclusion, I will leave you with this. The world owes you nothing. You must find your place in it. In the words of Dr. Burke, determine what's your vision, your mission, and strategically decide how you want to succeed. Stay on your path, stay involved, and never, ever, ever give up. Thank you.